own senior brother, Captain Smart. Now, OTTO so can't be, and I was so disappointed. Say the government of the day should be careful, and that if they don't stop going after fraudsters, they should start thinking about 2028 elections.
What to grow money at you? Pam near the Nico. What to grow money at you? Bam near the Nico. When you say U.S. Air Force, one more plane, it's Groma. Hey, weekend we need U.S. Air Force. Air Force. U.S. Air Force. No more plane is Tamale. The fact say, yeah, a developing nation in Chester, our brains are not developed.
So I buy way better fraudsters in Gum. We lose elections. I will support it because somebody has committed a crime. I was saying China because of politics in tea. Today, when people commit crimes, we cannot go after them.
America, Odi beggar, Babu Trica, or also begg.
And you, the same people, sit on TV and tell us you are fighting for the generation. Which generation are you fighting for? Mokasa too much. The embassy people are sitting on. Majority of you people, you are an embarrassment to Ghana. So this damage control and writing script to come reading, we have crossed that stage. Okay? If we have to sacrifice, do what hurts to make sure that this country at the end of the day is safe for a few, we will do it. Me say, if we have to do everything, we have to sacrifice, take decisions that are difficult, that will benefit a little people, that will develop this nation for our Inchimba and the generation behind us to get a better place to live. We will have to do it today. We need to bite the bullet. And Intina, I heard my own senior brother, Captain Smart. Now, OTTO so can't be, and I was so disappointed. Say, the government of the day should be careful, and that if they don't stop going after fraudsters, they should start thinking about 2028 elections. So, I buy way better fraudsters in Gum. Now we lose elections. I will support it. Because somebody has committed a crime, I was saying because of politics in tea. Today, when people commit crimes, we cannot go after them. And you, the same people, sit on TV and tell us you are fighting for the generation. Which generation are you fighting for? Are you fighting for a generation that in the next 10 years, you have half of the population, the youth, who are criminals? Is that the kind of population you want to fight for? I don't care about the next elections. I care about the next Ghanaian who will survive after the next elections. And so if somebody thinks to say, or to Ghana krowemu, or betumatna Ghana abokrono, or because Enisa Abaneden and Sakano, because election 2028, but the fact of the case is, Abana Yato, these are some of the reasons in Tia Yatuaba to sanitize the system. Into what also a down for the Captain Smart. You like what he's saying. Obey sa bonena, yachiwa wonkwane ebechewu. Say yachiwa, you'll be surprised to say, o girlfriend na onini say juma na yachiwu ko shem no obeto ma party na eteso no. If you say girl na ne koba na kume mu anka wawu ka wafiri ho ama japade na beka ne nsa. So mon nkora na amwaka no. So obi mpeso beka nyansa a kire mu no. Today we want to glorify crime. Where on earth should we use crime as a bargaining chip? Why? Where on earth? Why should we even sit on TV? Why should we sit on radio to justify crime? So be a debonia with debonny. That is why people have the right to go to court and prove themselves. Say, "Oh my bonny and I saw my bonny. I'm be defend you." And this is the last time when I spoke on this fraudsters issue, I said every single person who has been picked up now on my table is a suspect. So I won't come and sit here and say, because of election 2028, the youth now who are involved in things that are destroying lives, and they say, Omoton in Nuboneno, why don't we leave them to sell in Nuboneno or Ghana? Omoton red, Omoton cocaine, Robin Nipano, because they are also breadwinners. And I'm a boy. Armed robbers, they are also breadwinners, like those people sitting behind computers and destroying people's investment. Red, cocaine, yes, they are the same as those boys sitting behind computers and destroying lives. So why are you justified? Why are people using elections as a bargaining chip for people to create opportunity for people to commit crimes? We need to make sure it does not matter where the person is. Crime is crime. Crime is crime. So how on earth, crazy can we be to sit and say, Yachichi Ghana for youth? If you don't want to be arrested and taken to the United States to be trialed, do not commit a crime in Ghana against an American. Can't you understand that? Why don't you sit in Ghana and commit a crime in Ghana so that when you're arrested, you are kept in Ghana? You feel powerful and you think that you can break boundaries and go commit a crime against an American. And Americans are telling you they have the power to come and pick you. So if you don't want to be picked, then why don't you commit a crime? I don't know who we are. Because all Ghana prisoner, Ghana we are Ghana. But there's no justification for crime. We should not even entertain that kind of conversation on radio and on TV that are buying out on June 2028. Into a buying in 2028. Now a buying in Jai Mobi Anton cocaine. A buying in Jai Mobi Anton weed. A buying in Jai Mobi Anton red. A buying Bonino done a crime. Today we are selective about crime. All because America for the bet you will be free Ghana. Mo problem you know say Obia di bone and America for bet no and no problem no crime no nipa no committee and so obo committee and how o problem say identity say America for the bet no na crime no bone no odi no odi o Ghana ni so and so odi America ni so motete Ghana mobusu afo tete abrochire mo sorry a na mo keka nsem wo Ghana na mobusu afo tete abrochire enjoy ade no montina Ghana embo abrofo kro no abrochire mumyenja isa enkwasi akasa no emwaye. These things are not good. They are not healthy. Ninja akora bi shekona bi na odi nkwasi asam na oye nyoma ehia because yet TV so and ye ka che nkwara ne say we are youth ya bechi uni akọ abrochire na nunua na onam ho no edwuma ben na oye adebone ben adentina America for sorry no pamfa cargo plane embassy kotokanka so obi ankọ because mo di bone adentina mo nyesa. Why did the American government decide to say, Ombeba befandi pa baku mienu miensebi every Ghana? Why didn't they come and arrest you, Captain Smart? Because you have not committed a crime. Because u pay na ojina and na udi. Because unkobo obi apo ewa internet so. Unkoji Ghana ni bisika and unkoji bro ni bisika. Into Saranopa, you are free, you are confident, you sit on radio and you speak on issues. But some so what your salary. You are not scared of the FBI. If today the FBI knocks at your door in Ghana, Captain Smart, you are not scared because on your fraud. You are not involved in any fraud. You have not been involved in any romance fraud. So you are confident. Why do you think an American will come to Ghana and pick a Ghanaian away? It is because the Ghanaian has committed a crime against an American. And countries have treaties. They have agreements. Mumienjai sa kasano. Mumienjai sa kasana. And why? When did we get to that point where we are hailing crime? Why should we be hailing crime? 90% of you people, because of politics, Sebio, with all due respect, I am not saying that Abu Trica is guilty because he is now going to face trial. The investigation is ongoing. But what I'm saying is say, at Abu Trica's age, 90% of Monkofwa, more supported crime, why didn't you make that at your age? Because if you had decided to maybe taking a route here, you would have gotten it. But something told you that route, when you take it at the age of 27, you might not see the sun again. And literally most of you, body 45, body 50, the things are, these boys were munibi because you were cautious. You were asking yourself questions. You were not being selfish. You were thinking, what is the end game? So when somebody does not think about the end game, now say he's caught in a web. Why do you make it look like say and there it is all about Adeni Abechi, the youth of Ghana? Do you know the number of people in Ghana we are youth? Do you know the number of people in Ghana we are youth? Let us stop this. Let's stop doing these things on primetime radio. Say Abechi Kronfo nyina wo Ghana na 2028 NDC be lose. Yes, omuluzi. The same chrono na ye hailing deno. Omwa na betwi tuo abewura ye radio station, ye TV station, ye TV so ye tietie mu ye dede no. Na sa criminals na asa fa tuo ewura ye fie. Ye yire ne ye mbati fie no. Ye beti wo radio say ye ku omo. Let us stop this before it gets out of hand. Let us stop crime. Crime is crime. Let us stop crime. These boys or whoever, they have been picked up. Me I've never sat on my platform to call Abu Trica a criminal. I've never called Kujubot or whatever a criminal. They are suspects. If they have done nothing wrong, they will walk out. They are suspects. Oforiata Esi and Fanembra Gani, Oforiata is a suspect. Oforiata is not guilty. So Oforiata Eura Ghana ha through Kotoka, Obian to be body to the law will have to deal with him. Let us not behave as if we are living in some banana republic and that we can do whatever we want. No. These same people sitting on TV and radio defending this kind of thing, no. Omukwa bruchira, omudim raso te se mwa. Adena mukodua bruchira. Na mukwa munye bibia by heart. Imra ye juma. By krom dia election ebanti. Mama yenti asye. There are so many young people in Ghana. Sanyomana boys we here and come to my but they were thinking twice. They're being cautious. They know say omo mami bi tiase. Omo papa bi tiase. Nipebi are looking up to them. They don't want to get themselves. They don't want the fast lane. The fast lane is there. Nobody's stopping anybody for joining the fast lane. The fast lane is there. And nobody's stopping any young person from joining the fast lane. By the end of the day, where is it going to end you? That is the question. And some people took the fast lane and they are where they are today. Don't let it look like, say, people in Ghana, we are against crime. We are not against crime. Why are you picking people up? I didn't know. I'm asking you. I didn't in America for Mechio. You've not committed any crime.
Keno Foriata Bakokra. Oti America, Odi beggar. Babu Trica. Also beggy. Baku Odi beggar. Baku so a beggar. I will Ghana ha. Men can so be a bonia. Mayancho. Patrick Keno Foriata. Abayin Krot Yakonya Social Office of the Special Prosecutor. When you should red alert everywhere no crano. Patrick the handcuff at Tunechi at Yakonya America. Yay! And run at Junaminam. Naminai. Bisa one, I mean, no more chatting. 2 a.m., 3 a.m., let me chat it. Send a message to one. Let me pay so be engage me when I may drive here. Mami Musamu. So be a bonia. Yen the answer question, says America be di boni wukruma. Yen fanning ma America back. They am fanning ko. Sagana ni su di boni wa America. Yen so yen ko fa ya de mra. Na Sagana ni te ha no di boni no Ghana yen ne ko America. And is for Mama Manina ho. Mama Manina ho. Na Mahama na ya maje nkwa. Wo aka na fie akire ba de de obi amu oha.
Razi.
Mama maji munda ho. Mafia, there's a minority report at that CIA. Over 17,000 youths in the world Russia. Omo bu America for afaso. Omo ye memo mo ko Russia ko for momre. Men kan so bia ye boni am ye nche no. Ba hwe boni asa America fo ye di yin. Ye nananom a watwu mo nsamanko akopra won. Ye gold ni ye oil ni ye niam mo awia wo krum ha. Tien samanko tikwa papai men kan so bia ye boni am ye nche no se wurkasama wo de yen na ene you hit the Ghanaian youth so hard bad so I am boni aye nche no Nempo sani ya cheno. Sani ya yono.
Gwen. Bibini.
Wow, say soldier for ni aposi for dasha skiti kan yoko.
Bibini.
Mo kwa cheno so ka cham say mo ya me dan me nkasa. Je me lawyers wa ha.
Omo jare.
Me fi onu say na yoko for kra na omu nim nipa. Wo mo say abrante na ebudo.
Omo jare. They are sick people.
Nti ye betena kro yim. na ama nipa didi pa bone
Oniamachi o
na ye what to say
Oniamachi o
ye na wiase nyina no ye nipa papa Ghana fo ye nipa bone
Oniamachi o ye tie Captain Smart oja
Ghana fo ye nipa bone first class me na ka kire wo
oja
na sese ya na ebe kwa wo ho ebe ye kakra no
oja
civil uprising enku chenku civil uprising ehu chenku all that I know and it's a soldier for a woman krumo in omundu 500,000 enko ene say mint me more no manage wo fa soldier for migration fire service prisons national security customs what do we mean aboma Abraham omundu 1 million
gwen
Mona mo say 30.8 and yefa 8 na egu to normal security agencies no
Bini.
say 30 ni ye sore a ayama 8 ni mra
gwen
say 30 no ye sore a ayafa 8 bra bon say about Sri Lanka ukita tuo so na wudane
oja
Madria say Ghana for ye surade the way I'm your youth, no. Monya careful. I'm telling you. Kwame Nkrumah can say Ghanaians are not timid people, as has been suggested in the foreign press. Far from it. This is Kwame Nkrumah. They may be slow to anger and may take time to organize and act. But once they are ready, they strike. And they strike hard.
Our enemies are made.
It pays no one to tamper with Ghanaian freedom and dignity. This is Kwame Nkrumah.
Is free forever.
We ain't no better a change. When it is denied or too long delayed, violence will break out here and there. Not that people planned or willed it, but their accumulated grievances would erupt with volcanic fury. I keep telling you, we are not far from that day.
Break out here and there.
What to grow money at you, pam, near the Nico. What to grow money at you, bam, near the Nico. When you say US Air Force, one more plane, it's Kumah. Hey, weekend we na US Air Force. Air Force. US Air Force. No more plane in Sitamale. No more sandi drone and nam Northern Ghana. Patron no more pedai. Na Ghana Air Force na any fighter jet. Wa ka say we to akosi JFK. Enti yasa Ghana so fly drone. America. The fact say a developing nation in Chese, our brains are not developed. I say near maybe even put in the US Air Force. Maybe Maybe better. Maybe better. Your security platform be. My main platform no. Na memfa ema na kan enipa na owo tamale no. Otwitwa ye, twitwa ne ma akaka ho. Ena ode beto ho. Hwe eni nti upia kosora. First one ni. Dey na watro wa ase ho.
The US Air Force in Tamale.
The
US Air Force in Tamale.
Another picture, no?
Seen a couple of serious drones too around.
And then nipa from the metro then was say.
We don't need them here.
Second one, I said,
the L-O.
Most say I find a lot of laughter. Or a security officer. When we say laugh out loud, there's a lot of laughter. Someone say, and not Troy, Mulol, no. And then Papa she catch us, okay, hello, I'll be covering some gym. The question is the question, of course, or mobile phone, man, and can hello, national. Twaso, I block it. Maybe. Oh, yeah, no, then I'm a Troy, can't you know?
It's part of the way. Hey.
Me say, it is part of their hybrid warfare simulations in fragile African states and geostrategic calculus of U.S. as a great nation. This is what I wrote. It could also be part of their advanced concept of integrated multi-agency data collection, analysis, and decision-making architecture. I will never rule out the mushrooming of strategic deception. China, Russia, North Korea, and other non-military allies of U.S. may see it as though they have won the geostrategic manifesto manipulations. It brings Sanchu and Russian Maskirovska principles to play. All warfare is based on deception. This is what I wrote. We are the metro. We are the obey kind. They are trust on their kind. Interesting.
Okay, interesting days ahead. Let's appear weak when strong and strong when weak.
Let me try no can home out. Ghana bet me ako US or military base. US. Yes, yo, yeah, geopolitics. There are super nations. You have to succumb to super nations. Abraham say you on Burkina Faso. One succumb to France, then Abba. France is part of G7. France is part of G8. France is part of G20. One succumb no then is here. France are backing off. And now what in France maybe at a fine, I can't call off because uranium no. First no almost started free. What am I saying? I don't support Abu Trica. So why born here? She nipa mebuna yasisa womo efi kroma. She oyela nwatwe e submarine dia fase asesa deko. Now who remonata at kroma. Na mo say yeah bet more you monchi won lose election. Monchi won lose more elections. Say Emraben yede kobo no e wa America. Kwadu ben yede kobo no e wa America.
Boy no.
Say ya etwe mafia Ghana ne amaya hodo asan enhihye se mini pa bi di boni wo ukrom ho afama de ebra me. Enti ka botre kakra de ukrom ha dada. Enti so di boni wo US kra no wa ba Ghana hada wa ba Ghana dada. Adeta wo tama botre ka free Ghana e de free ha kwa America. Wa bra wo ankasa Ghana aban wo de won sa kwhya ase se obi eye Ghana ni obi America ni no di boni wo Ghana obi e Germany ni odi boni wo Ghana Ghana ni bi wo Germany no di boni wo ho obi wo UK no di boni wo ho a emra na ya de ensa kwhya ase no se fa sa nipa no ebre yen wo so de be di boni a ye de wade bebre wo ade na ye de na wadi boni no ye de na US ko we mo na acha
nelo yankobi
America for me abo Ghana triso am ye de abotrika ne nkanfo ekwa America pacho kenoforiata won
asemo
Ghana mebunu I support you Ghana mebunu I support you America and I'm seeing your heart chocolate. I say, on Ghana, Musa and so on fucking of front. I'm God Naba. I say, Ghana and can't try the so here can for it all tongue. Ghana for it. I buy well requested here, so here can for it. To mama, Massa, when you know. say mafia or say request is here Keno Furiata. Come na brain. There is no extradition order from Ghana. Say for Keno Furiata mra. Entino Keno Furiata ya mfane ma. Ghana buying krokro no. Ma tete say na Addo ne John Kumah e di nkomo. Say Keno Furiata ye nja no. Me say ma tete say na Addo ne John Kumah e di nkomo.
Koju.
Can I say we papa no? Your friend no. Ralph Olson. Can I say na watch no? US is always like kind. US
open to.
David can say US
always open to. Anyway.
Okay. US is always
open to receiving extradition requests from countries.
US is saying it is always open. To receiving extradition requests from countries. Pacho Edini, a friend of Ralph Olson.
Ralph Olson.
I say what I say. The affairs. Charge
of the affairs US
Embassy. Or say Ghana or maybe a was assisubiano. Upobi ayina free. Or Kosuma, Wako Haide, and US and number Ghana. They are always open. But their papa person say Ghana from Penifone and Jimmy. And that's what we hear Ghana for. They are sister Magu back at Timmy can tell me the amount. But can I forget that I want no. Nana, John Kumah head in Kobo. I would take at the end of the budget. Can I forget that the young and in Jano Nonko. Where yet Jimmy, nay, day. Penifate him, Fanchame, because we were fool. I'm sorry, I am angry this morning. More beyond blaming USO, and USA protected Keno Furiata, and John Kumah buying and a protected Keno Furiata. Because OSP, no, on your drama, Agi Company Limited. OSP, on your drama, Media General. OSP, on your drama, BGS. OSP, on your drama, Donko. OSP, on your drama, John Kumah, Bam. It's a John Kumah, no, no, Bonkomo. Some Keno Furiata, Magana, new prosecutor. Moka say, Ayana Jama. I buy the water, you know. Yan don't you know? Yan 2 kerosene in Mekum, not the hotel. John, you're the bebo. Why is Keno Furiata roaming around in Mississippi, Massachusetts, or Koba, and did that free? I would Trica there and the budget. Me, I don't have a permanent friend. I have a permanent interest. My interest, no, Ghana. So my way pay and no pay and me interest. I'm the chess as so. Me found us away agi. Me found us away jiri. Me found us away kufo. Ghana. On my way pay and hear me. It's na be penny presenter between them and no catch that say. Say ya penny pay kuno atwini moja. Ade ya wo Ghana mo man ye here. Here I am. But me ko. Nkumi ne twimi moja no emfa wo Ghana magana nye. That's why I am the only presenter in the whole world who to be cast no. Keno Furiata ti abroche odidi danom woni me ya Ghana buy the train aya hwe hoka besin na. No. What's no? Mutwa ba fia no kan no na me man evidence. What's no? Keno Furiata time na all free or mem ha no. Now on surrender the diplomatic passport. So he is still a diplomat. Time na Keno Furiata ekono. Now or your government, senior government advisor on finance and economic planning. So he traveled in his capacity as a senior government advisor on economics and on finance and economic planning. And Keno Furiata a official travel. A kwena Keno Furiata to fi Ghana hano. Ya the Ghana si kind of tour ticket man no koi.
Yeah, that time no more that so. Oh,
okay. It is a diplomat. Yare ya hwani tuyanka. Mo him say list of graph ebe to my esgasha can offer the womb.
In the age.
What's the you can't say no. Debbie, you be. Can for. But in case I'm chairman of pay. List now, yeah, no, move to MPP, MPs, ministers, S. Graciano. Can offer the womb or the number 2. What's it? Jọba mo ni na o. Wow. Abotre kade ye mfa ne nko. Me boa. Na me nua dofo. Sam George said that people should concentrate on education. Sam George. Enye ye ina na ye no hwe yan se be di minister o. Tabi, hold on. Ye ina na ye no hwe yan an se be di minister. Ebi wo ho bo hwe mo ye no se be di minister ka ho. Cause adokufo na ye na hwe no. Ona hwe na yire. Jomama na yire hwe no. Ona hwe na yire. Kufo na yire hwe no. Ona hwe na yire. Oba bo wa hwe o. Na Ghana fo suro no kure. Me catch her o part time. Me salam subanti o. Enta me nko politician bi office ru bisa ho. Me ma no I say smart man. When I say abodam, me see dan answer be the minister. Me talk no be the MP. No JSS. And I mean say that me hear me radio ni me TV no nti wonim dia be here. Ku photo before. Ti me bobo me hu bu ho. Me no manom ye. Ti can say me kono me kuta me kura. Nti me say present a few to da me nka ho. Je bi ni few betumi tu no obi antumi tu me. If you go ni few betumi tu no. Me few antumi tu me. Bang say kura do e kira kura go ho e betu no.
Mo kasa too much. They be am say anu tia mo.
If you are betumi to me because na me nim dem pesa me ye mo man. Sam George is saying, they're concentrating on education. Sam, point number 1. Okuja Toria University, Oko School, or your Juma or a politician.
That was it.
But time now, we're shower no. Now, Oko School. Sam, I love you, I like you, I love your skill, your ability, and your strength, the energy. But please, you gotta be careful. Hey, America from Tuaba Ghana. What's the exercise for concentrating on education? Other than this, the free SHS, I say, a campaign. I don't want to say, woman, who yanti, Bibi, who ain't yan Canada. Now we are to open. Hey. So education now, Ma'am free SHS, say, Papa. Why is Mahama planning to review? Say, I don't know, say, and this is for Crown Mamuna. What do much to Abama Mono? What with a master's degree? What with a St. John? So, what can tell me, sir? Young concentrate on education. Don't put a master's degree to fear in the education of Groma. What are you talking about?
Mokasa too much. They be am say anu tia mo.
Look, the MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Adwoa, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. No.
Thank you very much for staying. You're still watching With All Due Respect Extended Version. And the air Thursday is exactly 6:35 p.m. In Ghana, it is 11:35 p.m. All over the place. Mama story 102 bini pong jumadieno. Ye jinem bibian sesanye. And if you think, Mr. P, Mr. S, do we have a problem with Loud Silence TV? Team, Loud Silence TV, are we good on Facebook? Yeah, I think there's a glitch on Loud Silence TV on Facebook, team. Yeah. Now, the next story, a story way. Yoko has recovered 15.1 million defrauded from Ghanaians in an online investment scheme dating back to 2019 through virtual assets like cryptocurrency. Yoko, from 2019. Fraudsters are on internet so using different kinds of applications and softwares and programs. From 2019, Sikabaye $15.1 million. And these boys on the internet in Ghana defrauding Ghanaians. And sir, Sika we are on the internet so far so area free Ghana for no nipa bebre ahwere omo nkwa ebi mo life savings were taken away obu ha sika odi ato ne phone so odi ato ne account mu a odi kwa akoto moja ama ne maame because ese week bia onto moja ama ne maame yare sa sika na yiraye ne maame yewu. You are telling me say we should hail crime and start to say election 2028 is in the corner. Let's get real. $15.1 million. People, Ghana for more Ghana. Yanyam rebunia. Yes, say, yam penemi for munkwe, omubi area Ghana for. But you know the effect? Because Antuwinti Wajinia will say, this is normal. Until say, yado papa said you sika beto accounts na no papa so check account na sa sika in them because obi send you link keke na omia so na o papa said you sika na 20 million 30 million 40 million 300 million na also orko tua ochina no obo se obe show papa won pass no wu. That is what we are talking about. That is the danger. You have no idea. People are hurting people, defrauding people. So, Mami and Tiran Kasa anyhow. Let us not hail crime. Let us not try and make excuses and say, America. There is an extradition agreement between the government of Ghana and the United States of America. It is a why you say we free America ni wa. Also, Tia say America for kwine so befa wo de wako. We need to understand these things. All these monies were taken from Ghanaians, and most of the people are Sika we nyina free omonsano omumu nipa bebrewu. There are people are ye defraud wo momo so keke. Sa momo ne defraud mo no obi atwa the person collapsed and died. Enyo maaminti. It hasn't affected you. It has never been you. Now the day it will be you, you understand the actions of these kids, whether domestically or outside. It is crazy. So let us respect these things. Yenya opportunity to speak out. Mamiama imbebrune enjene say they have the right to do everything or anything. We need to let them understand. Emra okronim mamenchro. The reason why African Americans in America they die a lot is because, with all due respect, we live here with them. Majority of them just don't want to go by the rules of the land. Enyam running in pleasing. As an African living in America, enyam running in pleasing. And one thing about humans, we don't like emra too much. But this is how the people build their nation. So if you are willing to live here, you have to go by the law. So that is why when you try to fight the law in a way that you know is wrong, the law is going to consume you. There are so many people who are dead in you shoot to America, not because racism is real in America. Racism. And when we say racism in America, don't say white and black. There's black on black racism. There's white on white racism. So don't racism in America. Remember why you say broni bi and to siogu eye bibini bi so. No. When you talk about racism, there's black on black racism. There's white on white racism. There's white on black racism. So don't sit there when you hear racism. Oh, the issue is the reason why most people are they be also way to police vote. Listen, one of the basic things that it can get you killed in America. And if it was in Ghana, most of you young people will be dead as I speak. In America, when you run light and as I offer red light to moi, you get a ticket. Yani ati DC ano offer light to moi, a federal ticket. Maybe I bet you $50. No, DC I bet you $200. Now, so run a light and as I offer red light to na machine chow tete. Na a capture card no, a capture car number plate, a capture information. Na omu maili bro say offer light we mu into a $50 tier. Now Gmail no, now touch no problem. Osako for another light mu na camera ni chow tete. Na capture number plate, a G information in you were supposed to drive 15 and I will drive maybe at 35, 20. Now omu maili bro say bitia now touch when those tickets pile up, at a point, they become warrant. And in say, so those tickets, when they keep coming, and you keep ignoring them, at a point, those tickets will turn into warrants. Now, what happens in say, so what New York City, what Washington, D.C., what Virginia, Maryland, wherever, every police officer, because that number plate, you know, say a Virginia number plater, say a DC number plater, sa baby a what no, sa state no. Every police officer or patrol bia computer syndicate no, your number plate has been turned, you're the warrant at Toso. Or license automatically. Sa tickets not building up could do warrant. When you man not build it for months and sometimes years. It turns into warrant. In Tiakata for no, they ignore simple tickets. That is at the end of the day, not going by the rules, not going by the law. Because some people feel they can do what they want to do. Now, so on a police car, trafficking, maybe the police car is going somewhere, and on a baby, and a police in a bedinichi. And a police say, you know what, let me run this car because they do it. Do it here. There's a computer in the car. Obey the number plate. I say this car is not stolen, and I say we need ticket to be out. About number no, that's what we said. This car, we plate no warrant daso. Take it also with your way, tia. And when I bet you, we. I can't afford to say we na subconsciously on him so warrant done so because when you say there are a lot of tickets are onya ya went ya on him. So majority of them try to speed off. That is what brings the confrontation. Into the moment of better we on him say ya china or co jail. And that moment, for all you know, Abia, there are some things in the car crowd. They are not supposed to be in the car. Because Obia, Yaman the tickets, bear 15 times one piano. That person, the likelihood say he's carrying contraband in his car is high. Now, the moment he hears that, police is in the boy, we, Gina, Boswa Wasso. The moment Obe Wassono, you have become a target to that police officer. At that point, you are a dangerous person. Into Albany in our psyche home. What stopped you from stopping for him to come and approach you? What stopped you from parking? So in his head, while prepared that you can take his life and he needs to protect himself. Or do a chiana of colleagues and say, the moment of a backup, that means who nothing there. Oh, ship it through. Or do a chiana finally, or be park with china or park it. Oba and sisi because on him say you are a dangerous person. Now Sandy Panotica no 1 on percent obeko jail. 2 on him say osa on maybe okadima ebi ani say okari sa anyoma. So that person is finding ways. Ebi the person is intoxicated. Ebi onu kwa wano monsa and I say ebi wabowi and I say wanu cocaine. You don't know. What happens is anytime the police comes and say hello sir, hello madam, how are you? They start to get confrontational. Because normally when people are guilty, they are more confrontational. That is what sparks those. Because remember, police no kute tuonu. He has so many reasons to explain himself. So if you don't even want it to get to that point, pay your ticket. Do not run from him. Try and explain yourself. Because the person in the car, and I'm not saying say all of the time, the police are right. No, some of the police are deliberate. They are racist. They want to do this, but don't give them the reason. Do not give them that reason. I will never say America police if only being near. There are some police officers in some places. It does not matter. But I'm talking about a general issue here. It won't pay that. You need to sit and ask yourself why a particular group of people. It is because people commit crimes and you don't have to hold a gun to commit a crime. There are so many crimes committed without shooting anybody. You can drive from my house maybe 10 miles. I'm not committing crime at 5 because you have run 5 lights. Ticket. A crime. The reason I'm talking about this thing and say, me Martina Kromha, I've been stopped only twice. Martin America almost 15 years, but I've been stopped only twice by a police. The first one he stopped me. I parked. He asked me, "Why did you run this light?" I said there was a car before me. The driver was distracting me because I didn't know whether he was going left or right, so I decided to go around him. Or assess the situation, or Jamie car, or Jamie license. Or when I have a clean license, he told me he believes that this is a genuine mistake. I shouldn't do that again. The second time, police jiname, nobody the car about me car too. That's it. Many police in your confrontation. One thing I am scared about is ticket. My wife does not want ticket to last in my house for more than 2 days on pay. When tickets me run, I know Obia will be feel running lights, not tickets bar in 24 hours. It needs to be paid. You don't create opportunities for these things. I am running with him. And Imrano sometimes, and Obia na Eden, and any did ye, especially somebody like me, somebody who is black like me. You cannot sit in America and say, "Media, I live in a neighborhood that is a rich neighborhood, so you are isolated." You are not. You are under. You can anything that is happening to somebody out there can happen to me. Anything happening to any black person on the street can happen to me. So I need to understand the laws are important to live within. And to me, I don't carry myself. When I'm driving, I have this thing in my head. Media in a very nice neighborhood. They don't fucking care. They see people equal before the law. And that is what you need to understand. And Samra, when you know about Ghana, 90% of you cannot get on the street. 90% of you will not drive in Ghana. It is easy. So try not to put yourself in a position that will be so difficult for you, your parents, your family. Do not do that. Masa, embre wo krum ha no. Say bogus na am honest with you. I am telling you. Say bogus no beso me no kra with you. O compound do so be America, obekwa abrochire. Emra e wo krum America krum nipa ni omote wo emra eni emra ne te no. Majority of you people, you cannot live in that. Ghana is peaceful and safe and easy. Don't put yourself in a situation where you are going to struggle. Let the fast lane go. Inti, Ghana crime to say it is something. I bet you will be into the whole Ghana. It should go down. Why this person? I didn't think I bet you will be. I didn't think I bet you will be because of what they did. It's because of what they did. The reason why I'm about Ghana I cannot drive is because I stay out of Ghana for almost 8 years. I'm about Ghana. I thought I could drive in Ghana. Now I'm just to my driving. From the airport to home. When I'm catching I can't drive in Ghana again. Not because we will be out of Ghana. Because I don't want to put anybody in danger. For 8 years, I stay out of Ghana, Ghana. When I was coming to Ghana, I told myself I was going to drive my car. I have my car parked in Ghana. I have my place. We do Ghana. I'm a driver every airport. You ever find me free airport? I'm going to do fee. And when I'm catching, I can't drive. Not because I'm better than anybody driving in Ghana. It is because I don't want to put anybody in danger. Because I don't want to cause any problems. Because I might try and follow some rules. It is rules I am following in Ghana. In that process, I might hurt somebody. I might create more problems. So I will allow somebody who basically is comfortable and understand. So I wouldn't get into a problem where I'm going to knock somebody down in Ghana with my car because I don't even want to get in front of the steer in the first place. I don't want to do it. I don't want to even get in a position where me say me drew a stop sign. No ma ko jina na tro be dia be jam ko dra no stop sign ko onima de kro. Because impulse. Because my driver hatch no me who stop sign my dream say menya ticket nti o so be jina e bia sex so di mechi we who passenger with him or penentem or be clear me. My kids are in the car, my wife is in the car, my mom might be in the car, I might lose a family member. So at that point, I will not even indulge myself. And this is common sense 101. Common sense 101. Inti mama me crime and yet to say, yeah, beto abanti obi dibone. Musa adenti ne kufu ado moteso no. Adenti na sa America for amba kuru amba chinipa. Adentra. Then it means somebody was covering up for somebody. It means somebody was making things easy for some people, to dupe some people. Then it means some people were not doing their job. Today, when people start to do their job, then it becomes political. Why is it said, people who were into this were not arrested? Because some people decided to protect some people to commit the crime. In Ghana alone, $15.1 million. You and I, our money, and for use internet, free and same. So don't let us not any opportunity to sit on TV on radio as hosts, as guests. Let us not justify anything called crime. Hey, Obindu Boneda, I have been robbed in Ghana before. I've been attacked by armed robbers before. My name is Eiii. Yes, in Takrady. Don't ever underestimate Obi person do bonnet. I have been attacked with guns. My name is Eiii. When I show you pictures, you cry. It let us not justify anything called a crime. Yeah, for politics. Yeah, beto abanti obi di bone. Masa, udi bonia embrane bechew. I'm going to say this, and I'll say it anytime I get the opportunity. So when you're ready, dear, men di bone no. So otam Americani. So otam Americani sika. Na America for some bechew. Masa, embrace it to okroma no. Say a kasi a camera ni biachrewa. And people who live here should be telling people in Ghana. Ghana na obiasesa school fuegu kaba kum nipa 30 40 na me na kana chia. I say who the school ka chia. The school ka ni jina na stop sign ni pie. Who your president crowd so train. Who bet man say I don't know Ghana. Who the school ka chi. School bus chi. Na school bus ni jina 50 times. I also jina 50 times. A Chinese school bus no. WONTUMI yim found. The moment the signpost comes out, WONTUMI bypass school bus no. So call papa ye kura or so chain. Oh, you're the president of the republic. You will have to wait. That is some of the laws. Yet na krum near parking kamu na. No, it doesn't work like that. It does not work like that. So school bus too. Now it does not matter why you're late 2 minutes. The moment a bus ni bejina wenim na wo bus ni chi. School for this year, stop sign, you cannot bypass the bus. Obetman Ghana. Driver, wait Jimmy ana unimnyansa. Na na wa park on person obi abekobi onko baby also e jantra for no kobo. Driver, wait Jimmy. Na na school for it because the country of person protecting kwara. The reason why school bus jina wa wo ne chintumi ma na wa wo ne nimu ntumi ba na say akwara every school bus ma. Maybe akwara bi wo ha or psychological problem. Obetuma be check room, obetuma fa car de chi, obetuma e bibia. So they make sure say akwara bi ensi. E mama mu say parent bia so na akwara mu before the bus, the stop sign into mo amu bo, mo amu ko, everybody stops for the bus to finish what they are doing. Say akwara 50 and a walk adima say 30 minutes the bus will have to wait for the 50 kids to all get down or get on the bus. Emra we in your team ha. We are busy chairman ameti America. We are busy chairman. We are busy chairman ameti America. Okra woni baby krom krampo. Wo se wonti ase. Now how much more me? You people should understand. Nobody should make that argument. It's the same Ghana will be better now 8 years. Now for a defrauding for identity amateur because people decided to defend crime. Under MPP, crime was being defended, crime was being protected. People put out a lot of real estate by duping people in Ghana. There are so many real estate in East Legon, Cantonment, they are empty. So many houses in Ghana, they are empty because some government allows some people to wash their monies. Who was he going against? Now then I buy some and the America for to be babe chinipa. Undi boni America ni bechew. Kwame amwako a wote asankrigwa. Adona FBI bechew. It is because you have not committed a crime. You have not engaged in something illegal. I will say this is the time we need to be asking questions. Say, why is it, say, after 8 years, now you say we are seeing Americans come in because there's a treaty to come and pick people up. This is when we need to start asking questions. What was wrong? Some say 8 years of Ekufuado, Obiang committed crime. There was no fraud, a romance fraud. There was nothing. The Americans, why didn't they come inside? Because some people blocked them from coming. Because not a benefited politicians be. Because some politicians were part of the crime. They were working with these fraudsters to wash money. But should we always be at the receiving end? Is this how we wanted to bring up our kids? This is not how we wanted to bring them up. It does not matter sika abedini pensem se kronfo ko wie sika. It does not matter what the kronfo uses the money for. Obetumeti schools 30, obetumeti asori dan 50, obetumati nipa 50 school. It is still not right. When you go to these countries to say Mexico, Venezuela, and all these places are, do you have money more than the cartels? Still, the DEA is able to enter their country to go bring Escobar ne El Chapo money ade. Are you powerful than them? Do you know what Escobar ne El Chapo, do you know what they were doing for their people? But wrong is wrong. Crime is crime. That is what we need to understand. We need to understand, say, bonnet ya bonnet. Don't get yourself involved. We need to psych the young people to understand. Let us not create an impression, say, they can do things and that when they go wrong and we are coming after them, it is a politician in Yashi. Your uncle Mexico, your uncle for more other countries are cocaine sika are more profitable things. Today they are dying in jail. Adentina binding can say El Chapo, Uncle say, we munyano almost school, almost hostels, almost the almost boy minor. Adentina binding can say, no, we are going to protect them. No, because morally we need to understand, and Quran need to understand, say crime is crime. Pablo, these are things we don't have to even. This is the time we need to sit on TV and ask ourselves, hey, so we lived with people like that. We saw them. Why were we not taking action all this while? What happened? Who was in charge? For 8 years, all these things were going on. Why we not taking charge? Why were the Americans not coming in? This is the time to be asking these questions. It means you handed over power to people who were committing crimes with fraudsters. That is the danger. It's really a security aspect. That's how TV so. That's how Bekase and Abu Trica and Akudubdonje. Ask you the security aspect. The first question you ask yourself in your room is no. So this has been going on. So at this point, why are we seeing it now? Because from the records, from what we are seeing, this has been going on for years. For the past 8 years, there was a government in power. Why didn't we see this? Ask yourself as a security personnel. So imagine, Abiana boys way, without due respect, not these people. Abiana Nkofo to Ghana build the atomic bomb, which they have learned on the internet. Abia Omuni so much knowledge. And that bomb they were building in their communities, a bit to me and nullify a whole community. Now, and they are for now. Were you people going to sit on TV and say, why are the Americans picking them away? Say, Obiti Ukrum, and all ye bomber, a bit to me nullify a kunipa 300,000. Ukrum. Now, and the what one is Americans naba. Omo detective say, a group of boys and girls be build some kind of bomb. I don't know building. They don't have any knowledge. Some mistake it will be about 300,000 people would die in Ghana. Now FBI for Bo Rekrumo say Sanko for identify almost satellite ne chase almost yesterday. Are you going to justify? Are you going to sit and say I don't know man? That's not justify crime, guys.